Britain is running hotter, the crowds are getting bigger, the rhetoric is getting harder, and the gaps between flare-ups are shrinking. Today isn't about one day in London, it's about a pattern. In the next few minutes, we'll discuss 3 national warning signs, 7 sparks that turn protest into crisis, and the simple plan you can set up tonight. This video isn't about picking sides, it's about public order, safety and resilience, how to think clearly when the country feels like it's leaning into a fight, and how to keep your family boring, legal and safe if the temperature rises. Everything here is educational and UK legal. If calm, UK legal preparedness and survival is useful for you, subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. It helps us reach the people who need it, especially right now. Why people feel this could spill over. Here's why so many feel like we've crossed into a different phase. Scale. UK media and police put the London United Kingdom attendance roughly in the 110 to 150,000 range, huge by any measure and described by multiple outlets as the largest protest in decades. Online claims push the numbers far higher, some say near 1 million, and as someone on the ground I can tell you that I think that is true. Either way, scale changes risk on the street and in politics. Amplifiers. High-profile figures, including Elon Musk by video, dropped messages that many leaguers condemn as inflammatory. Celebrity attention plus social feeds equals faster mobilisation next time. Across Britain, you can also see counter-protest, culture war flashpoints and tighter policing postures. It's not density, but it's momentum. The national pattern, what to watch. When countries heat up internally, you can usually see 3 things that increase together. Numbers. Bigger crowds more often. Reach. More towns join in, not just the capital. Friction. Opposing groups appeal closer together with thinner buffers. If the reach broadens, regional rallies on the same weekend, that's when logistics creak. Transport checkpoints, police fatigue and local tempers fray. 7 sparks that turn process into crisis. Most unrest stays loud and ends with a cleanup truck. Crisis needs a spark. These are the usual suspects. Bottleneck crush. Crowd density plus blocked exits equals panic, injuries and bad decisions. Line break. A police line buckles, momentum turns to surge and property damage. Counter-protest contact. Antagonist meets with no buffer, small fights cascade. Symbol strike. An attack on a symbol, statue, flag, HQ triggers copycats. Provocateur moment. One person throws, shoves or brandishes, 10 follow. Viral misinformation. A false stabbed, killed, kidnapped rumour spreads, crowd flips before facts. Martyr loop. A dramatic injury or arrest becomes a rallying myth, turnout jumps next time. Avoiding these isn't politics, it's physics and psychology. Your plan is to move early, leave earlier and never stand in a funnel. 3 national warning signals. If you see 2 or more of these in a week, turn your preparedness dial up. Regional stacking. Same day rallies announced in multiple cities. Policing posture shift. Earlier cordons, mounted units staged sooner, routes pre-blocked. Official and social gap widens. Strong rumours are outrunning official updates on arrest, injuries and news. Do this now, week 1 national plan. Day 1. 2 exits plus 2 buddies. Pick 2 ways out of your neighbourhood on foot that dodge your local bottlenecks like bridges, high street stations. Choose a near buddy and an out of area buddy. Swap ice info and 1 quiet meeting point. Day 2. Power and light. Torch by every bed. Test them. Change power banks. Put 1 grab pouch by the front door with a 4-way extension and charging leads. Day 3. Water and food buffer. Start with 3 days. 2 to 3 litre per person per day. Add shelf-stable foods you already eat, oats, rice, tins, UHT, label with today's date. Day 4, first aid and comfort, BS 85991 style basics plus eye rinse, plasters, bandages, pain relief that suits you, and any prescriptions. Add baby wipes and spare socks. Learning from my own experience, keep a first aid kit in all your bags. The bag you put it in may not be the one you pick in a panic. You can find all the UK survival essentials on my Amazon kit list list. I update it whenever I find a product I personally use and recommend. Day 5, comms and maps. Download offline maps for home and work. Write 3 key numbers on paper. Agree a family meeting point, not a station or a main square. Day 6, home hardening. Legal, low cost. Check and fix latches. Add or repair motion lights. Make your house number visible for emergency services. Test smoke alarms. Rehearse 2 fire exits. Day 7, skill sprint. 10 minutes finding and safely operating utility shutoffs if allowed. 10 minutes walking your 2 exit routes, time them and note the hazards. This plan helps in civil unrest and in strikes, storms and blackouts. It's the boring baseline that always wins. Comment down below something that you always keep ready. Crowd safety rules. Arrive early, leave earlier. Dispersal is where nerves snap. 2 exits before entry. If you can't name them, don't enter the crowd. Hands visible, voice low, obey lawful instructions. Go home, not viral. Don't run blind. Step out of flow into cover, then navigate. Buddy meets at the quiet spot, not the loudest corner. Information hygiene. Don't get played by your phone. If things heat up, the street isn't your only risk, your feed is. Latency and speed. Be the one who's right, not first. Provenance over popularity. Forward from unknown sources. Label unvertified posts. Battery discipline. Save power for navigation and family, not doom scrolling. Neighbor first. For important local updates, print and post or speak in person. The phases A to E, how this could escalate nationally. This is a scenario map, not a prediction. It helps you avoid trouble, not find it. Phase A, high tempo protests. Bigger numbers, tighter gaps between events. Phase B, counter presence normalizes. Opposing groups appear nearby and police stretch. Phase C, infrastructure stress. Rolling transport closures, comms jitter, rumors outrun official updates. Phase D, community friction. Local flashpoints, minor vandalism, supply anxiety. Phase E, institutional fatigue. Services slow, tempers shorten. Most families feel pain in A to D. Be functional there. You don't need to forecast E to win. Why London mattered, but it's not just London. London set a scale benchmark and a tone. Mass mobilisation, high profile speeches, visible counter presence and significant strength. It's also set a playbook. Organisers now know they can pull huge numbers. Critics know they can mobilise counter protests. Social feeds learned the best clips to spread. That's how national cycles accelerate. 3 quiet lifestyle changes that pay in calm times. 2 bag life. A tiny EDC pouch with torch, plasters, battery, cable, tissues, and a desk or car pouch with water, socks and snacks. Neighbor node. Learn 2 neighbours' names, swap 1 number. In any disruption, local beats viral. 10-minute tidy. Each evening, clear exit routes, lay out clothes, charge devices. Most safety is preparedness and clean floors. Family briefing. Do a 3 minutes briefing tonight. If town kicks off, we do A, stay put unless there's danger on the street. If transport shuts, we do B, walk route X to meeting point Y. If phones die, we do C, be home by time or go to relative or friend. Roles. You grab first aid, I grab water, you text the neighbour. Kids handle calm truth better than anxious silence. What's not to do? Expensive mistakes. Don't over-weaponize your house. In the UK, that ends badly. Focus on locks, lightings, lines of sight and community. Don't post your plan online. Show less than what you have. Say less than what you know. Don't let gear beat skills. You can't buy calm. Practice routes. Don't fixate on one scenario. The same basics win in civil unrest, blackout strikes and storms. Mindset. 3 lines I repeat. Be early, be boring, be gone. Zoom out before you zoom in. Assume confusion. Your first report is probably wrong. Act on what you see and what you planned. Rapid recap. Do this now. 2 exits plus 2 buddies. Power and torches by every bed. 3-day water and food. Build to 7. First aid basics plus eye rinse. Offline maps plus paper numbers. Home lighting and locks. 24 to 48 hour grab bag. family briefing, 3 minutes. Be early, be boring, be gone. If this saved you time or stress, subscribe and send it to a friend who you would want beside you on a bad day. Comment down below an item that you would pack that I didn't mention. The Charlie Survival UK Amazon kit list is in the description. Use it as a starting point, not gospel. Hit the like button to help this channel, and if you want to make your home a harder target the old school way, watch this next. Click it and I'll meet you over there.